If you're seeing a red X on OneDrive, don't worry. It usually means OneDrive is having trouble syncing a file or folder because of a conflict, a connection issue, or a problem with the file name itself. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the OneDrive red X error step by step, quickly and safely. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more helpful Windows fixes just like this one. Let's get into it. First, click the OneDrive cloud icon in your taskbar. This opens the OneDrive status window, and this is the best place to start because it often tells you exactly what's wrong. Look carefully for any error message or warning. If OneDrive gives you a specific file or folder name, make a note of it. That will help you identify the exact item causing the red X. If OneDrive suggests a fix right away, follow that recommendation first. Next, try pausing and resuming sync. This is a simple step, but it can clear temporary sync glitches. Click the OneDrive cloud icon again, then select the gear icon for settings. Choose Pause Syncing and wait about 1 minute. After that, click Resume Syncing. This gives OneDrive a chance to reconnect and refresh its sync process. In many cases, the red X disappears after the sync restarts. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is the file name. Open your OneDrive folder in File Explorer and find the file or folder with the red X. Right-click it and choose Rename. Make sure the name does not include special characters that OneDrive does not like, such as asterisk, colon, less than, greater than, question mark, forward slash, backslash, or pipe. If you spot any of those characters, remove them. Then press Enter. After renaming, give OneDrive a moment to sync again and see if the issue clears. Now check your internet connection. OneDrive needs a stable connection to sync properly. So if your network is weak or disconnected, the red X may appear. Open a web browser and try loading a few websites. If pages do not load, reconnect to your Wi-Fi or wired network before going back to OneDrive. Once your connection is stable, wait a little while and let OneDrive try syncing again. If that still doesn't fix it, restart OneDrive completely. Right-click the OneDrive cloud icon and choose Quit OneDrive. This closes the app fully. Then open the Start menu and launch OneDrive again. A fresh restart can clear stuck processes and refresh your sync status. Check whether the red X has disappeared after OneDrive starts back up. If you're still having the issue, the last step is to reset OneDrive. Press Windows plus R to open the Run box. Then type C, Program Files, Microsoft OneDrive, OneDrive.exe/reset, and press Enter. Wait about 2 minutes, because OneDrive may take a moment to reset in the background. After that, open OneDrive again from the Start menu. This can resolve deeper sync problems and help OneDrive rebuild its connection properly. At this point, OneDrive should be syncing normally again and the red X should be gone. If this walkthrough fixed the problem, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.